Hi guys, hope you're well. Welcome on this beautiful sunny day in the Algarve. It's a pleasure of showing this magnificent house. My name is Michael.
And I'm Hannah, and we're from Portugalproperty.com.
Today we are showing you this lovely villa in Vilamoura. 6 bedrooms, 9 bathrooms, 8,600 square foot interior and a 42,000 square foot plot. The property was built in 2009.
So let's start with the outside area. We're going to bring the car in from the entrance here. You've got beautiful electric gates. You can bring your car on the calçada. So we have this, let's say, beautiful manicured gardens. It's on a 42,000 square foot plot, so plenty of space. You have this double carport to fit your Bentley, Rolls-Royce, Lamborghini. It's up to yourself. Down here we have a driveway for another 2 cars, so you've got a total of 4 cars in total.
We are just 5 minutes from Vilamoura. This property has 24/7 monitored alarm, separate entrance and quarters for a nanny or even a housekeeper, mains water, the option of gas or electric pool heater, and one of the largest outdoor swimming pool areas in the Algarve, which offers a fully functioning water slide and cascade waterfall.
So this pool, we've got 25 metres, one side to another, and can you believe it or not, it's actually heated. This size pool is actually heated.
It's heated, you've got lights. The pool can be any colour you want, orange, green, blue, purple. Look at this, we've got a water slide over here, guys, water slide. I mean, this is just paradise. I mean, you don't get this in the finest 5-star hotels in the Algarve, and this could be your home, and you could be living this every day. As I said, I don't know if I pointed out before, but look at this for a bar. Absolutely amazing.
And if the bar doesn't tempt you, you've got a jacuzzi too.
The rounds are on me. Or will be if you own this property. You've got some chairs here. You can sit here, I can serve you a drink, cocktails, on a strawberry daiquiri, a mojito. This is the place to serve it from. You know, the sun is behind me here, the sun's gonna set, house southwesterly facing. I mean, this is it, you know. In 15 years of selling real estate, this is the most beautiful outdoor area I've had the absolute pleasure of showing to anybody, so take it all in. What do we have here? We have diving boards, different levels. I'll take you up, but I'm not necessarily going to go for a jump, but I want to, trust me. Look at it.
And if the bar isn't too fancy, we've got this lovely cabana area, whether you can either have a massage or even take an afternoon nap if you feel like it.
So you have a nice little citrus zen zone here, you know, the best of the Algarve. As I say, lemon trees, orange trees. This area will bring you into the relaxing chill out area where you have the pleasure of watching this absolutely phenomenal Algarve sunset.
The property also has 300 megabytes of fibre inside and out, underfloor heating and a very expensive CC'd pool sound system.
Okay, so let's go inside this magnificent home. We come into this hallway, has its own bathroom here to the left, a beautiful brick ceiling, and of course, entryway into the lounge. As you come into the lounge area, the first thing you notice is this beautiful ceiling, brick arched ceiling. You really don't find this in places. On the ground floor, we've got 2 bedrooms, 2 ensuite bathrooms, a kitchen, and a lovely lounge area. Okay, so let's go into the kitchen area. Most people believe the kitchen is the heart of any home, and this is a beautiful kitchen. We've got a lovely island in the centre, 2 sinks, which makes it really good and really handy for when you're cooking. You've got a door here to bring in your groceries directly from outside. We've also got plenty of storage, an American fridge freezer, best appliances.
We have a nice little chill out area here. You know, you can sit and watch TV. Someone's making some beautiful food for you. If you're lucky enough, you've got a nice 12-seater dining table. When they're going to bring you out to the barbecue area, you've got a fantastic sitting area. You've got covered space. The sun is always shining. Sometimes you want a little bit of respite from that. And you've got this beautiful 14-seater table. You've got a beef-eater barbecue.
We're now coming into the second largest bedroom in the house with its own ensuite, magnificent fireplace and its own private access onto the pool area. And now we have one of the other bedrooms. This is one of the smaller bedrooms and the last bedroom on the ground floor with its own ensuite, built-in wardrobe. And of course, the house has underfloor heating throughout included in this bedroom.
Okay guys, this brings us down to the basement. What a basement we have in front of us. An amazing gym. You know, the owner of this house, he's a sports person. Pool table over here, nice social area again. The cinema is just coming to completion. This is going to be state of the art.
Okay, as we come upstairs, we're going to go into the third bedroom. Ensuite bathroom to the left, stone tiles, very traditional. Bedroom number 4, this is the smallest bedroom on the top floor, ensuite. So last but definitely not least for this floor is we have the master suite. Lovely spacious area, ensuite bathroom, and an amazing walk-in wardrobe that is definitely any woman's dreams.